One of the library's greatest resources is our Destiny. Destiny gives you access to titles that are available in the library, um, as well as other information. So what we're going to do on this part of the session is we are actually going to explore it so you know how it works and how to better help your English language learning student. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the home page. And what you need to do is you need to go to Student Resources, which is the top tab, and you will see the drop down which says Library Media Center. I need you to click on it. Here you will see Destiny Quest, and that is where we're going to go next. Here, Destiny allows you to search titles from home 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So what you can do is you can see what's available. So let's just say I wanted Spanish books, Spanish titles. I could type Spanish books, press go, and there you would see that there are 269 titles available that are in Spanish, which is very helpful for our students who are learning the English language. As you can see, there are some titles. If you hit next, you will see some other titles. You can see if they're in, if they're out, and the next thing that we are actually going to be looking at is this right here, where it says Status Unlimited. Another great resource that Destiny offers is File It Shelf. So that's this tab right here, which we'll be clicking next. Let's go to that. Once you get to File It is an incredible resource which gives you information about what is in our library. So, as you can see, it lists recently added books. So we have Capitan, Calzoncillos, which is Captain Underpants, which is a very popular title. As you can see, it's already checked out. If you move down, you will see other titles that are listed. We have both English, Spanish, and bilingual books. If you want to see more titles, they will be listed in this way. What I want to do now is we would like to go down to what is known as ebooks and interactive books. And again, you'll see that symbol that I just pointed out to you. We have ebooks, which give you the option of clicking on a title. For example, Moose on the Loose. And then reading that title. Now, with File It, you have the options. You just simply open the book up or check it out. Reasons that you want to check it out is because sometimes there are only a certain amount of titles available in case somebody else just check the book out at the same time. What I'm going to do now is just simply open the book. And it is loading. There's the title, and then you will see the actual book. What File It does is gives you the option to do certain things, like you can play the book. You can also check the speed if you want a slower speed, so that maybe your child or yourself can slowly hear the words and then you can speed it up. This is very helpful trying to learn the language and learn what is being said. Slowing it down lets you hear the words slowly so that you can repeat them. in a few brief moments, you'll be able to do this as well. And there's a play button right there that you can use. Now let's just say I'm through with this book. So what I would like to do is we're just going to go to another book. Again, just like with the ebooks, we have interactive books, which you too, again, can scroll to find a topic that you're looking for. For example, emergency vehicles. And then you can open that one as well. It's loading. Again, you have the options of the audio, and you can read the book page by page to where it's a little bit slower, or you can read the book all at once. So if I did this, you will be able to hear and see the book. And then when you are finished, you will be done. And that will be it for that. So Follett is a really great resource for you to use at home. I would really like for you to take some time now to explore some of the titles, see how it works. Make sure that you're checking different things. Like I forgot to mention, for example, if you go into, let's say, a books account, you can see exactly what the interest level is, meaning, is my student going to like it? This is something for someone who's in between K through 3. So these are things that you can look at when reviewing to make decisions. So I'm going to give you a few minutes, and then you can back and just debrief about what you noticed about the features. Again, please have fun with it, because this is something that you could use in the future to support literacy and helping your student grow as a reader.